Hey there, drone enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the 5 best drones. Whether you're looking for the best aerial photography, a powerful racing drone, or something beginner-friendly, we've got something for everyone. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. LYZRC L200 Pro Max Drone. This powerhouse of a drone is packed with advanced features designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. With precision engineering, it combines style, speed, and power in one compact package. Equipped with a high-definition 4K camera, the L200 Pro Max delivers stunning image quality, whether you're soaring over cityscapes, exploring natural wonders, or documenting special moments from unique perspectives. With a wide-angle lens and real-time transmission, you'll capture every detail in brilliant clarity, all while staying in full control from the ground. 360-degree laser obstacle. Avoidance assisted flight. The front, rear, left and right 360 degrees of the drone are equipped with intelligent automatic obstacle avoidance function. When an obstacle is detected during flight, it will automatically avoid obstacles, protecting your worry-free flight. With EIS 2-axis mechanical stabilization head to bring more effective anti-shake effect, and guarantee the image quality at the same time. Intelligent film. High dynamic range, high resolution, natural color reproduction and light and shadow performance make the night scene crystal clear and moving under the lens. The battery life is about 25 minutes, allowing you to take enough pictures at a time in your favorite place, take the flight, and return to the flight happily. GPS plus optical flow dual mode. Accurately realize the hover mode of altitude and position to achieve wind resistance and aerial stability. The visual train surrounds SLE trick technology. Surround plays new tricks. Get ready to elevate your aerial photography and videography with the LYZRC L200 Pro Max. Whether you capture memories, film your next project, or simply explore the skies, this drone has you covered. Number 4. AOTULIGHT AE86 Pro Max GPS Drone. First off, let's talk about the design. The AOTULIGHT AE86 Pro Max is not just powerful, it's portable. With a lightweight, foldable design, this drone is built for adventure. Whether you're hiking up a mountain or traveling to a scenic beach, it's easy to carry and quick to deploy. New generation intelligent imaging system deployment, powerful GPS positioning system and no brushing power, allowing the 8K camera to fully utilize its aerial photography performance significantly improved, easy to shoot and control for beginners. Dual camera switching always shines brightly for you, recording your moments. Compared to traditional drones in the past, it has robust flight capabilities. Performance and experience make creation more comfortable. The 4-way detection and perception system automatically senses surrounding obstacles and intelligently avoids them, effectively reducing collisions. Brushless and powerful power level 7 wind resistance, optical flow visual hover suitable for beginners, easy to shoot and control. Brushless motor, high explosive power, flying is more stable and suitable for playing on various fields. The drone maintains flight altitude and hovers steadily. GPS intelligent positioning for flight and escort, and 8,000 mAh battery. Record the starting position during the flight, and encounter an unexpected situation. In case of a situation, it can be easily recalled with just one click. Low power return, out of control return, over distance return, one click return, one battery lasts 50 minutes. Upgrade charging remote control USB interface, suitable for various devices, 5G real-time image transmission, smooth aerial photography. The remote control has a built-in lithium battery, which is fast to charge and use. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just starting out, the AOTULIGHT AE86 Pro Max is packed with features that make flying fun, easy, and professional. From its stunning 8K camera to advanced GPS and smart flight modes, this drone is built for adventure and creativity. Number 3. K11 Tubro 4K RC Drone. First things first, let's talk design. The K11 Tubro 4K is sleek, compact, and foldable, making it super easy to carry wherever you go. Whether you're headed to the mountains or the beach, this drone is built for portability. Plus, its lightweight frame ensures smooth, stable flights without sacrificing durability. The 4K camera. This drone captures breathtaking videos and photos in ultra-high definition. Whether you're a vlogger, a photographer, or just love getting creative with your footage, the K11 Tubro 4K has you covered. Brushless motor. Adopt a newly upgraded brushless motor with strong wind resistance to ensure that the aircraft is not affected by strong winds. Equipped with 360 perceptual obstacle avoidance equipment, it can intelligently detect possible obstacles in the range of about 20 meters of the aircraft and reduce the possibility of impact. 3-axis mechanical self-stabilizing head. EIS anti-shake chip with a 3-axis head greatly eliminates picture sloshing, and the ultra-high-definition video steadily 1, a large straight-out 4 km digital picture transmission. Digital graphic transmission have more fun without delay. Compared with WIF image transmission, the new digital image transmission technology can make the picture transmission distance longer and the transmission faster and more stable. Polymer lithium battery. The use of a new upgrade of high-storage battery, with an intelligent battery management system, intelligent voltage regulation, control of flight and charging process output current, reduces flight power consumption, greatly extends flight life, and improves charging speed. So, is the K11 Tubro 4K RC drone worth it? Absolutely. With its powerful 4K camera, smart flight modes, and long battery life, it's perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots or just having fun in the skies. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this drone delivers top-notch performance. Number 2. Potensic 4K camera drone. First, let's talk about the build quality. The Potensic 4K camera drone is compact and foldable, making it super easy to carry on your adventures. It's lightweight, but don't let that fool you. This drone is built to last with its durable frame and sturdy propellers. Right away, the design feels compact and sturdy. And because it's foldable, you can easily take it with you anywhere for those spontaneous drone shots. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the 4K camera. The Potensic drone is equipped with a high-definition 4K camera that captures stunningly sharp photos and ultra-smooth videos. Whether you're shooting landscapes, action shots, or cityscapes, this drone delivers crystal-clear footage. In terms of flight performance, the Potensic 4K drone is a smooth operator. It's designed for stability, even in windy conditions, thanks to its powerful brushless motors and altitude hold feature. You can fly confidently, knowing the drone is under your control. The remote is super easy to use, and with the dedicated app, you can connect your smartphone to get a live view from the drone's camera. It's perfect for lining up your shots and making sure you get the best footage every time. Now, let's talk about some of the smart features. The Potensic 4K drone comes with GPS-enabled intelligent flight modes, like Follow Me, Orbit Mode, and Waypoint Flight. These features let you get creative with your shots without having to manually control the drone the entire time. With Follow Me mode, the drone tracks your movements and follows you, perfect for capturing action shots while you're on the go. And Orbit mode lets the drone fly in a circular path around a specific point, creating those epic 360-degree views. One thing that's super important with drones is battery life, and the Potensic doesn't disappoint. So, there you have it, the Potensic 4K camera drone. With its incredible 4K camera, intelligent flight modes, and long battery life, it's the perfect companion for anyone looking to take their aerial photography and videography to the next level. Number 1. FIMI Mini 3 drone. Let's start with the design. The FIMI Mini 3 is ultra-compact and portable, weighing just under 250 grams, making it perfect for taking on the go. Its foldable design allows you to fit it into almost any bag, so whether you're hiking up a mountain or just heading out for a quick shoot, it's ready when you are. Now, let's talk about the features. Experience high frame rate video recording in 4K, capturing every dynamic moment with lossless precision. Enjoy smoother motion scenes, higher resolution, and frame rates, providing ample room for advanced post-processing and lossless zooming. 9-kilometer video transmission system. Equipped with the new SoLink HD digital transmission technology, FIMI Mini 3 achieves high-definition real-time transmission up to 9 kilometers away, It supports dual-band switching between 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz. AOTULIGHT Super Night Video. The latest generation LIZRC, super photosensitive and noise reduction, improves the signal-to-noise ratio by 4 times, can challenge larger image sensors, and capture pure and translucent images in low-light environments at night. The FIMI Mini 3 is equipped with an advanced 3-axis brushless gimbal, paired with the newly upgraded low precision stabilization algorithm from FIMI. Image sensor. The image sensor has been upgraded to a Sony 48 megapixel 1x2-inch stack CMOS sensor, achieving a significant performance leap. With its wider dynamic range and superior light sensitivity, it can delicately capture a broad range of light and shadow levels from bright highlights to deep shadows. 8K resolution time-lapse photography technology. Utilizing groundbreaking 8K resolution time-lapse photography technology, it captures and displays each frame of flowing time slices with ultra-high definition delicacy, up to 8,000 by 6,000 pixels. You can enjoy a fast and convenient charging experience anytime and anywhere and charge your backup batteries without hassle while you're flying your drone. Satellite Positioning System. The positioning system can simultaneously receive signals from GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo. Faster and more accurate positioning allows for more efficient takeoff and better flight protection. So, why choose the FIMI Mini 3? It's a perfect combination of portability, power, and advanced features at a price point that won't break the bank. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner looking to get into aerial photography, the FIMI Mini 3 has everything you need to capture amazing shots with ease. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews and drone tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.